Welcome back. I prepare my bike for the next step in order to give her a new look. New graphics will be installed on the bike. I received from W Ink. They are among the best ones in this segment. They are from Ukraine. They sent me these stickers, which I'm gonna put on the bike, the new decals on the bike. And I think it will look just amazing. I spent yesterday more than 3 hours taking off the stickers which I put on the bike. It was quite difficult with some stickers to take them off. So I would recommend that you think better before installing anything on your bike. I think you rather keep your bike clean as it's from the factory, or you take some professional decals, some professional stickers from people which are actually are good at making these stickers. So don't try to be designer yourself if you're not so good at it. And I think it's better either to keep the bike stock, and that's perfectly fine, or take this kind of stickers from professionals which will add to your bike some very clean design, but in the same time very professional design. So I have the stickers from W Ink. I'm looking forward to install them on the bike. It's the first time I'm doing this procedure. They provide some instructions for installing. I also brought with me, just a second, I brought with me this heat blower, this Theon heat blower, to be able to first to dry the bike perfectly, to dry the surface, and then to try to make some heat in order to be very flexible with the stickers. In the same time, I'm gonna use a plastic card to be able to detail every sticker, because I'm not a professional, so keep in mind before watching this video, I'm not a professional on applying these stickers. So make sure these stickers will be installed by professionals in order to not to destroy them. So I'm gonna do my best to install them as nice as possible. As I said, I was able yesterday, in a couple of hours, if you can believe, to take off all the stickers which I placed. And honestly, that made the bike a little kitschy, if you ask me. So now I've managed to take off every single sticker. I washed the bike, but as an extra, I'm gonna dry and clean. And now, before even start to apply, I'm gonna clean one more time with alcohol. I'm gonna clean the bike. Gonna clean the surface, and after I'm gonna clean the surface, I'm gonna dry it and heat it a little bit, and then start to apply the stickers. As you can see, the bike looks very nice as stock, if you don't remember how the bike looks. And as you can see, I took off all the protections, all the crash bars, skid plate, engine guard, because tomorrow I'm gonna install the new ones. So stay tuned, because in the next video, in the next week actually, you will be witnessing the transformation of the bike, and I'm gonna prepare the bike for the new season. I'm more than happy that I was able to take off the stickers, especially from here, from this area. They were leaving some stains. I was able to take them off. Everything is clean now, ready to put the new W Ink stickers. Let's unbox the stickers and try to apply them step by step.
is for you. Listen. This is for you. Listen.